Still think trading is just for the elite? Think again. It's all about seizing the opportunity, and that opportunity is right here, right now. Let's check out the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair. We're seeing a strong bullish moment with barely any shadows. The price didn't even hesitate at the resistance zone and just broke right through it. So let's quickly invest 395 for the rise. And we're up by 758.40. Incredible speed and results. If you're excited about this and want to dive in yourself, I've got you covered. Join my free Telegram channel where I break down the entire trading process in clear, easy to follow steps. I cover everything from the purpose of each button to detailed trading strategies. Thousands of people are already reaping the benefits by copying my trades, which have a success rate of 88%. Just jump in, take the info and start using it.